Evening old is gold family. Think about being over 60 and still moving around easily. You can get up, walk, climb stairs, and even play with your grandkids without pain or getting worn out. Sounds great, right? But for many older adults, this is not their reality. Many begin to slow down or stop moving because their bodies feel stiff or tired. Over time, joints ache, muscles weaken, and even small tasks become a challenge. Some seniors do try to stay active, which is a good thing. But here is the issue. They often pick the wrong types of exercises. Some activities may look simple but can actually harm your joints, strain your heart, or increase your risk of falling, especially for older adults. That is why in this video, we are going to show you 3 exercises seniors should avoid and 3 better alternatives you can try instead. These better exercises are gentle on the body and help you stay strong, steady, and independent. If you want to keep your body healthy and move easily as you age, hit the subscribe button for more simple advice designed just for seniors. Here's the reality. As we get older, staying active is not about having big muscles or running quickly. It is about staying balanced, being safe, and feeling well each day. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light movement can make a big impact. These small efforts help loosen your joints, slow down muscle loss, and improve your blood circulation. This leads to fewer falls, a healthier heart, and even better mental focus. And the best part? You do not need to go to a gym or buy expensive equipment. Just a little time each day can boost your energy, reduce pain, and improve how you feel. Now let's get to the helpful part. We will walk you through 3 simple exercises that can help your body move more easily. They are safe, easy, and you can do them at home in just a few minutes daily. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos made with you in mind. If this video helps, type 9 in the comments. If it doesn't, type 0 and share your thoughts so we can improve. 1. Wall push-ups. A safer way to build upper body strength. Let's begin with something simple but effective. Wall push-ups. If regular push-ups hurt your wrists, shoulders, or back, this is a much safer option. It is especially good if you deal with arthritis or if floor exercises are difficult. Wall push-ups are done standing up, which puts less pressure on your joints. But do not underestimate them. They still work your chest, arms, and shoulders. Here is how to do them. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat against the wall at shoulder height. Keep your arms straight. Slowly bend your elbows and lean toward the wall, keeping your body in a straight line. Then push back to your starting position. Start with 10 reps and increase the number as you get stronger. Why are these helpful? Stronger arms make daily tasks easier, like lifting shopping bags, folding clothes, or brushing your hair. They also improve posture by engaging the upper back. The best thing about wall push-ups is that they are gentle and suitable for nearly everyone. Whether you are new to exercise or just getting back into it, this is a great way to build strength without strain. 2. Chair squats. A daily move to strengthen your legs. Now let's go over an exercise that supports something we all do, often getting up from a seated position. Chair squats copy the motion of sitting down and standing up. They strengthen your legs, hips, and core muscles. This makes them one of the most useful exercises for seniors. Here's how to do them. Stand in front of a strong, stable chair. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your body like you are going to sit down, but stop just before you touch the seat. Pause briefly, then push through your heels to return to a standing position. Aim for 10 repetitions. Rest if you need to, and try building up to the sets of 10. Chair squats help strengthen your thighs, glutes, and core, the muscles that help you stay balanced and steady. As we grow older, these muscles become weaker, making normal daily tasks more difficult. This exercise supports flexibility in your legs and reduces stiffness in your knees and hips. The best part is, you can do it almost anywhere, at home, in a park, or even during a short break. It is quick, simple, and highly effective for maintaining independence and movement. 3. Heel-to-toe walk. Improve balance and avoid falling. Now let us focus on something very important: balance. Falls are a serious concern for many older people, but a very easy movement can make a big difference. It is called the heel-to-toe walk. This exercise helps improve your coordination and body control. Here's how to do it. Stand upright with your feet together. Step forward with your right foot, placing the heel directly in front of the toes on your left foot, like you are walking along a narrow line. Now move your left foot in front of the right the same way. Continue walking slowly in a straight line. You can use a hallway wall or kitchen counter for support if needed. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. This movement helps your brain and body work together, allowing you to stay steady while walking. With practice, your balance will improve, and so will your confidence. It also strengthens the small muscles in your feet and ankles and sharpens your focus. Whether you are walking across a room or climbing stairs, this simple walk helps keep you steady. Together, these 3 exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, and heel two-toe walks, build the foundation for easier movement as you age. Keep doing them, and you will notice improvements in your day-to-day activities. But there is something else just as important: knowing which exercises you should not do. Let us take a look. Avoid these 3 exercises to stay safe. Being active matters, but the wrong exercises can cause more harm than good. In this next section, we will talk about 3 common exercises that older adults should avoid and offer safer choices you can do instead. 1. Overhead lifts can cause shoulder issues. Lifting weights above your head may look like a strong move, but for many seniors, it is a high-risk activity. As we age, our shoulders lose their flexibility. Lifting heavy items overhead can press on nerves, strain your neck, or damage your shoulder muscles. Try this instead. Use light weights or resistance bands for bicep curls or front raises. These movements tone your arms without hurting your shoulders or neck. Keep in mind, it is not about how heavy you lift, it is about lifting in a safe, smart way. 2. Deep squats. Too much pressure on knees and back. Deep squats might appear effective, but they can be rough on aging joints. If you often feel pain in your knees, discomfort in your back, or tightness, going too low while squatting increases strain. This added pressure can lead to soreness or even injury. Feeling unsteady during deep squats also increases your chance of falling. Instead, try chair squats. Just lower yourself slowly to a chair and stand back up with control. You will still strengthen your lower body without risking injury. The best thing is, you can do them anytime, anywhere. No gear, no pain, just results. 3. High-impact running. Tough on aging joints. Running can feel energizing, but for aging joints, it can be too harsh. Each step you take while running puts pressure on your knees, hips, and back. If these joints already feel sore or stiff, running can make the pain worse. Instead, choose low-impact cardio activities like walking, biking, or swimming. Walking, in particular, gives your heart a good workout without putting too much stress on your joints. If you have been a runner for many years, talk to your doctor about safer ways to stay active. But do not hesitate to slow down. Walking is gentle, effective, and much easier on your body. I personally switched from running to walking, and my joints feel much better now. Relax with these 2 calming bedtime habits. Now that you know which exercises help and which to avoid, let us take a moment to focus on rest. A calm evening routine helps you sleep well, feel better, and recover more quickly. Here are 2 simple habits to try tonight. 1. Gentle self-massage. Release tension before bed. By the end of the day, it is common to carry tightness in your neck, shoulders, or feet. This tension can make it hard to relax or fall asleep. A gentle self-massage can help ease that tightness. Use your hands to softly massage your neck and shoulders. Just 1 to 2 minutes on each side improves blood circulation and helps reduce stress. After that, move down to your feet. Use your thumbs to gently press into the soles for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps calm your nervous system and prepares your body for sleep. Add this step to your evening routine. You might be surprised at how quickly it helps you relax. 2. Deep breathing and meditation. Quiet the mind. Stress does not just affect your body, it also fills your thoughts. Deep breathing and short meditation sessions can help slow things down. Try using the 4-7-8 method. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 7 seconds and exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Do this 3 to 5 times. You should feel calmer almost immediately. Another option is to simply sit quietly. Close your eyes, and focus on your breath for a few minutes. No pressure, just a peaceful moment. These habits help relax your mind and allow your body to rest. No tools needed, just a few quiet minutes. Thank you for spending time with us today. You have learned which exercises can build strength, which ones are best to avoid, and how to relax your body and mind at night. Keep in mind, small steps make a big difference. It is never too late to improve how you feel. Use this information and share it with someone you care about. Healing is not just physical, it is about making choices that help you move forward. Tomorrow could be your strongest day yet. If this video helped you, type the number 9 in the comments. If not, type 0. We appreciate your feedback. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Notice for more useful and encouraging videos. Let us continue learning and improving. Take care, old is gold family.